For me, a dream comes true to have the possibility to improve something in a BMW production vehicle even further.
I just have to be outside traveling with my own car, and I immediately hear that particular powerful sound when a car passes. You just hear it. Our task is to retrofit components with motorsport genes to already beautiful cars. Give them this very extra racing touch.
As soon as the production vehicle process has been completed, the technical sketch phase for BMW M Performance parts begins. The sketches are laid on top of the base design and the vehicle is then developed to perfection, always with motorsport in mind. These are truly unique tuning kits made by BMW. The BMW M Performance parts are perfectly adapted to the design and they are just aerodynamically excellent. It's really important that only real carbon fiber is used in the production of BMW M Performance parts carbon components. Carbon fiber provides low weight, perfectly tuned functionality, and especially high-grade visual appeal.
What we do is to use the production silencer CAD data as a basis for sound engineering the BMW M Performance silencer system. With intensive sound testing inside and outside the vehicle, as well as extensive trials, for example, driving by and acceleration, we optimize the product further until this unique BMW M Sport sound is achieved. After these intensive tests, it goes into production. Our goal is to ensure that the BMW M Performance silencer system offers highest level sportiness. For example, driving through a tunnel, you won't only hear this, but feel it too. We put the vehicle through comprehensive testing. For example, climate variation tests, water trials, high-speed safeguarding, and wind tunnel tests, to guarantee that all BMW M Performance parts are ideally matched to the vehicle. And so we provide to our customers the sporty visual appeal, as well as the highest level of quality. The customer has fun with his vehicle. He always finds it in the parking lot, and everyone watches as he climbs in. We guarantee that.